Mystery noises as earthquakes strike Florida, Alabama line. Bizarre rumbles and earthquakes along the U.S. Space Coast, from Florida to Alabama, have sparked a mystery of seismic proportions as new quakes are felt. U.S. seismologists have reported a third consecutive earthquake across the Florida-Alabama state line this week. The latest tremor struck on Wednesday, the 13th of March, in the Panhandle area at 5:27 a.m. GMT, 1:27 a.m. Estate. The quake was traced to a depth of around 3 miles, 4.8 km, in Flomaton, Alabama, just north of Century, Florida. Century was the site of the initial tremor last week, a weak magnitude 2.7 quake on Tuesday, the 6th of March. A second earthquake quickly followed this Monday, the 11th of March, in Flomaton, Alabama. The Flomaton quake peaked around 3.1 magnitude on the Richter scale. Adding to the mystery, are claims of a fourth event last Friday, the 8th of March, which left buildings rattling in the early evening hours local time. Milenko L. Smith, a resident of Satellite Beach, initially linked the rumble to a rocket launch nearby.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to us on YouTube. If you like, donate to us, visit home on the page PayPal.